we will be looking at the proper function. In my last video I have shown you how to use the trim function. Trim function was used to remove the gaps between the data and make it a consistent data. Proper function is used to make sure that the first words of the given data are in a capital letter, and all other words which are in different sizes that can be differently, like capital or the small case, that is made properly into the small case. Like for example, how to use proper function, let's see. Then press equal to then write equal to, then proper, open bracket, and then text. I am taking the text from the trim function so that it will become very easier also for us to use these functions in a tandem. How to use these functions in a tandem we will see in the our next video also, that how to use both function together. So then close the bracket. See, now here it has actually the words which we have written, cricket, bat, balls and match, it has written same because it was written properly only. But when we drag it down to other options, like for example here in this field it was written football, green, field and Ronaldo. There was all four words were there for different words. So what it has done, it has capitalized the green, G for green, and then F in the field and R in the Ronaldo. Same it has done for the polls also, P in the polls, and then P in players, then skill as in skill, and also if we see here scenery, here it was very differently written, that SCE capital E NERY, then NATURAL natural, differently it was written. So it has done it properly. Why this is done? Because when we get a data from a different sources like apps where we are generating the data from the customers, that time it happens that the customer write it in the capital letter, in the small letter, in their own fonts they used to write, and but when we take into the data analysis, that it becomes a case sensitive. So to make sure that these problems are resolved and our data is showing proper results, so that we are able to analyze it properly, we have to use these two functions, that trim and the proper function, to make sure our data is very consistent to so that it never gives a false result. See you in the next video.